Okay, inside a crawl space right now, and right above this area is the front entrance to the house, and there's a 2-inch drop in the floor within 10 feet. So there's a very significant dip, and then I come down under this area, and now what we're seeing here is a pretty significant crack in the foundation above the drain pipe. And you can see where the beam, support beam, is not sitting in its pocket, which should be sitting right on top of that piece of concrete. So it looks like this has all dropped considerably. So a foundation specialist is on his way here. Take a better look at this, but this is what we're looking for underneath your house. Over here's got some cracks along that end, but this here seems to be the big problem right here. Get your home inspected, call theauthority.com.